Join me. Hi, Helen.
Hi there, Jane. Quieter weather day today, but still a question mark over what's going to happen tonight. So let me take you through what's happening today. We're not without showers and rain. This was taken up in Highlands, Scotland, and we have got a good deal of showers here, as you can see from the satellite picture, but also some sunshine. But this cloud is still with us across England and Wales, and it links back to these lumps of cloud in the Atlantic, the areas of low pressure that are giving us that headache. So this is how it's set up at the moment. The rain already returning on that weather front to the south, but we've got some sunshine between the showers further north, but it feels much colder across Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England. That mild air and that rain producer still with us further south. And as I say, that is really the question mark. It looks as if England and Wales will have their first significant rain for some time, as in 20 to 30 millimetres falling through the coming night. It's how deep the area of low pressure forms, and that depends or determines how strong the winds are. So at the moment we are expecting a windy spell as well as a wet spell, perhaps the windiest weather around southern and western coast. Certainly gales are possible, so it's one to watch. But either way, the wind and the rain combined making for some quite hazardous conditions if you're travelling through the early hours of Thursday morning. And then it comes into that cold air, and you may have noticed, yes, some snow there, a potential as well for the Pennines, into the Cumbrian Fells and the southern uplands. It stays relatively mild in the south. So we have some frosty weather in the north tomorrow, and by the time we get to daybreak, that rain is pushing its way northwards, moving out the way, driven by those strong winds. And in fact, the afternoon brings more heavy rain back into the south and west later. So I think still cold in the north tomorrow. The legacy of that weather system still with us, giving us a lot of cloud. There could be some brighter weather in between, but again, some more wet and potentially some more very windy weather to come through southern areas tomorrow night on the next area of low pressure, which looks set to batter parts of northern France, even the Channel Islands. But thereafter, high pressure builds in, or at least temporarily. So Friday starts really cold, widespread frost, as you can see, and following on the rain could be quite icy. And then the day ahead promises to be pretty decent, not especially warm because it will be a cold start, but we are picking up an Atlantic wind then through Friday, bringing in rain, more rain, probably after dark though for Northern Ireland and Scotland for the most part. But then once the rain does set in here and across northwest England and parts of Wales, that strong wind pushing more rain in through Friday night into Saturday night as well. So it looks as if we're going to see some very wet and windy weather then in the north and the west. But as I say, please stay tuned. Warnings are on the website, Jane.